Good morning to all. Today I am going to explain sentence. Sentence, do you know what is sentence? Sentence is group of the words that makes complete sense. So today I will explain what is sentence, the structure of the sentence, definition of a sentence, rule of the sentence, and the types of the sentence. First is the definition. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, Sita is reading a book. Sita is reading a book. This is a sentence because Sita is a word, eat is a word, reading is a word, a book is a word. So group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Then is reading Sita book. Yeah. Is this a sentence? No, because these are also group of the words, but these words are not giving complete sense. So we can say sentence. This is a sentence. Then already you know group of the words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Then structure. What is the structure of a sentence? Suppose you are a human body. You have some structure. So sentence also subject, verb and object. In sentence contains subject, verb and object. In this sentence, Sita is subject. It is helping verb. Reading is main verb. Book is the object. So structure of the sentence is subject, verb and object. Otherwise, we can't say sentence. The sentence contains a subject, verb and object. Then third one is the rule. What is the rule of the sentence? We have to follow some rules. Sentence begins with capital letter and ends with full stop. A sentence starts with capital letter full stop question mark. The sentence starts with the capital letter. Yes, with. Yes, with full stop, question mark, and an exclamation mark. So, the rule of the sentence is a sentence starts with the capital letter, ends with full stop, question mark, and an exclamation mark. For example, Ram is reading a book. Full stop. This is a sentence. The sentence begins with capital letter and ends with a full stop. What is your name? What is your name? Question mark. This is the question. So the sentence also begins with capital letter, ends with question mark. Wow. The beautiful flower is. So this is exclamation mark. Already I told you sentence start with the capital letter, ends with full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Last one is the types of a sentence. So there are four types of a sentences. First one is the declarative sentence. Definition complete, structure complete, rule also complete. Now fourth one is the types of a sentence. First one is declarative sentence. Then interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. Fourth one is the exclamatory sentence. So first one, declarative sentence, I will explain now. Which sentence states something?
There are four types of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. What is declarative sentence? In our daily life, you are saying different types of sentences. Not only declarative, sometimes also question, sometimes also giving command, order, and also expression. So first one is declarative sentence. Sentence states something. When sentences states or bring something, that is called declarative sentence. For example, we go to school. In the sentence, giving complete sense and state something, giving some information. We go to school. This is a complete sentence. So this type of a sentence is called declarative sentence. Already I told you, sentence starts from capital letter and ends with full stop. So declarative sentence ends with full stop because this sentence gives something or gives some information. Then second one is interrogative. Interrogative also known as question. When sentence asks to question. Where are you going? What is your name? Where are you coming from? When you go to school? So this type of a sentence is called question. So this question starts from capital letter and ends with question mark. Where are you going? In this sentence also subject and predicate. So in this sentence is called question or interrogative sentence. Third one is the imperative sentence. This sentence give order, request, command. This type of a sentence is called imperative sentence. So imperative sentence start from capital letter and ends with full stop. Sentence give request and advice is called imperative sentence. For example, open the window. Please stand up. Don't pluck flower. Don't write on the desk. So this type of a sentence is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence gives order, request, command, and also suggestion. Last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence expresses certain feeling. feelings, subtle emotion came to your mind. What a beautiful flower. Now you are going just you saw one flower. Before you don't know nothing. But when you saw flower, wow, what a beautiful flower. That is subtle express, subtle emotion came to your mind. Oh, I lost my book. Your sadness or alas. Oh, I lost my book. Here also subtle feeling. Before you don't know when you lost your book, then you say, oh, I lost my book. So this type of a sentence is called exclamatory sentence because these sentences are giving subtle feeling and a subtle emotion from our mind. So these are examples of a exclamatory sentence. So students, already I discussed first one is sentence, group of a sentence, give complete sense is called sentence. Then structure. In sentence, there is sentence structure is subject, verb and object. Otherwise, we can't say sentence. Third one is the rule. Already I told you rule sentence starts from capital letter, ends with question mark and exclamation mark. Then